How to fix the camera not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and resolve camera issues on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and long press on the camera app icon. Then tap on the Info or I button to go to App Info. After that, tap on Storage and tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data. From there, go back to App Info and tap on Permissions. At this point, make sure the camera and storage permissions are both set to Allow. In the next step, go back to App Info and tap on Battery. Following this, make sure battery optimization is set to unrestricted, so the camera is not being limited by your device. Once done, go back to your Android settings and tap on Apps. At this stage, do the same for Google Play services. Search for it, tap Storage, and clear the cache. Finally, restart your device and open the camera app again. The issue should now be fully resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your camera issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.